Activity, personal information, and describing your family. Personal information. My name is John Alexander Villegas. I am 35 years old. I am from Cartago Valle. I live in Cartago Valle. I am work in Papeles Nacionales. I like to listen music. I live with my wife and my two children. I am studying industrial engineer. I don't have favorite TV series. I like to play football. My family. My wife is Claudia Paez. She is 29 years old. She is a merchant. She is from Cartago Valle. My wife is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair. My daughter is Luciana Villegas. She is 5 years old. She is a student. She is from Cartago Valle. My daughter is very pretty and special. She is small. She has bright brown hair. My son is Sebastian Villegas Paez. He is 9 years old. He is a student. He is from Cartago Valle. My son is tall and strong. He has short black hair. He is tall and friendly. Thank you.